The results of our study showed that the standard length of our single recruitment process is about 4 weeks, from the approval to start the recruitment process to the final business decision to hire a specific candidate. The longest recruitment processes take place in manufacturing and FMCG industry, banking, insurance, and also in financial institutions and law firms. In contrary, the shortest processes take place in advertising and PR agencies and in the energy sector. A third of respondents indicated that the direct search and the subsequent waiting for CVs from candidates for specialist and managerial positions are the longest part of the recruitment process. If you want to find some more about recruitment trends, download our latest report from our website, antal.pl.